have a machine.
Maybe we don't have enough pool.
Maybe we live in the wrong country.
Yeah.
Did you ever think of that?
Yeah, maybe
Yeah.
so.
Here is everything fast.
Yeah, we won't be doing anything much to it. I mean, it's
Underground style.
Like the soft underground style.
Будет очень много освещения разного интересного.
But a lot of very.
I will show you. We have a machine that can create a graffiti, but with help of Nairo design. Yeah. Everything what you see, and look the quality, like everything perfect. Here is we have 65 places for work. A lot of different areas. We have a meeting room that you see, Arena Blockchain Sports. We have a lot of graffiti in the wall. This is a meeting open area. It will be here, whereas you see Arena Motorsport.
What's this room going to be?
This is a meeting area.
Meeting area?
Meeting room, yeah.
Oh, this is it here?
So like it's going to be a room within a room. So like no sound would get outside of this studio and no sound would come from us.
We will have blackout, blackout. So this is the arena area.